What you doing? You trying to take the camera already? Saki, go away. The thing's gross. It's yucky. Huh, Cynthia? That's yucky. Say yucky. Hi, Nierko. Ew. Yuck. Yuck. Don't put it in your mouth. You gonna show off your top tooth? Can you see it? Can we see it? Let us see your tooth. I have a hard time showing it, huh? Yeah. I know how we can get it. Come here. Ugh. Ready? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Let me see that tooth. Let me see it. Let me see it. You're too strong. Let me see that tooth. Stop holding the camera. Okay, fine. You don't want to show it, huh? I can't hold you upside down and hold the camera and grab your tooth. That's too much. Say hi. Say hi. You gonna wave? Are you gonna wave? Say hi. Hi. Up and down, up and down. Yeah? What you got? Is that a donut? Donut? The doggies are running from you. They know you're crazy. Yeah, they know you're crazy. You like Nierko's collar, huh?
Hello and welcome to Around the Airport. GPS users usually find navigation between 2 points accurate and easy.
You can't use it to stand up, silly. He's gonna move.
To keep the GPS system healthy.
Airman First Class Dario Brumfeld has been in the Air Force for about a year, but already he controls multi-billion-dollar GPS satellite base, Reaper Air Force Base in Colorado.
A lot of people might have the opportunity.
He is just one of a handful of people
What you got?
responsible for care and maintenance of GPS
You got a
satellites
diaper?
around the Earth.
We always check the health of the satellites to make sure everything's functioning correctly.
Are you gonna take all of them out?
Navigation signal and the time
Cynthia, what are you doing?
the health of the satellite.
What happens in this small room has a global impact.
Careful.
It's navigation and time. The time signal from
Cynthia,
commercial perspective,
say bye-bye. Oh,
navigation
say bye-bye.
signal is what
Say bye-bye.
stops lights
Bye-bye.
throughout
Say
town.
bye-bye.
Timing signal is used to timestamp financial
Come on, say bye-bye.
banking transactions around the
I
world.
see you thinking about it. Say bye-bye.
When you put it in an ATM machine or when you put it in a gas station, you get gas
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Alright, I guess that's close as we're gonna get. Uh-oh, someone's sleepy. Bye-bye.